Worth it daw bang magbigay ng flower sa class? Sino ba nagsasalita?
Maliit kasi, kaya maliit boses.
Student, raise your hand. Student. Yes, ma'am.
Diyan na si Boss Colette.
Ito. Silent lang.
Thank you so much for making this event successful because you guys opening up really means a lot to everyone here, and sana hindi po magtigil dito. Hindi po. Tumigil? Ha?
Hindi matapos dito.
Hindi. Basta, iba yung tinatry kong sabihin. Pero basta, I hope na mas gumaan kayo after neto, and yeah, I know it's emotional. Parang tayo open forum tayong lahat and yeah, heart-to-heart talk, no? So I hope na mas spread yung awareness, and I hope na you don't become a reason for someone else's hurt and anything negative. So yes. Bye!